Honorable Speaker, I'd like to raise a privilege issue. I'd like to read it out. I hereby wish to bring to your attention that my privilege as a Member of Parliament has been violated by the actions of the Governor of Eastern Province, Mrs. Anuradha Yahampath. As per a statement issued by the Governor on the 9th of September to the Divayana Sinhala newspaper, the Governor has instructed the Senior DIG of Eastern Province to initiate an independent investigation into a statement I made in Parliament on the 7th of September 2021. I'd like to table this statement and I'd like to read out what it says in Sinhala. It says, Mantrige Prakasheta Andukaravariya Polisiyai Swadina Parikshanayak illai. This is what it says. So the Senior DIG, actually, he was put in a very uncomfortable position. He spoke to me, Honorable Speaker, and he said, in fact, in Sinhala, he said, Mama Danno Mantritumaa meka Varaprasada වල ගැටලුවක් මම මේක පරීක්ෂාට ලක් කරන්න බෑ කියලා. හැබැයි ඉතින් ආණ්ඩුකාරවරිය කියලා තියෙන නිසා මම අහනවා කියලා කිව්වා. But he contacted me and he agreed that this was a violation of my privilege. So therefore I don't want to raise a privilege issue against the Senior DIG. But I'd also like to bring to your attention that this is not the first time that the Honorable Governor has violated my privilege. She has issued statements against me to the newspaper in prior occasions also. And Honorable Speaker, I'd like to request you to inquire into this violation and take very stern action against the Governor, as I believe that you are committed to protecting privileges of all members of this Parliament as a Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, this is not the only time where my privileges have been violated in this House. As you are aware, during oral question time, I am being called names. At consultative committees, I am being called names. When I speak, I am being called names. So I'd like to, as the youngest Member of Parliament in the opposition, I'd like to request you to take serious action to protect the traditions and quality of this House. Is this the example that I should take forward for future generations? Also, Honorable Speaker, regarding the Governor, this Governor has violated the constitution of this country by some appointments that she has made to the Municipality Council in Batiklo. She is also disrespecting the judiciary. I am a petitioner in a case against some land grab in the east, in the Mahaveli. And she is violating the judiciary, not violating, right. She is disrespecting the judiciary by some of her actions. So I really request you to take very stern action against this Governor, because she's not fit to be a Governor. Thank you.
Consider that. Thank you.
You're watching the Life Traveller channel.